written down, but we're getting there.
And what's this, Eve? 96 rubber ducks. I didn't ask for any rubber ducks.
Yes, you did. Look at the list. 96 Christmas crackers.
Christmas crackers, you nitwit.
You should have put me in manufacturing. You should have put me in manufacturing. I'm the one with the experience around you.
I don't think so, Ash. I spent 5 years with those people that make shoes. Always? That's enough to swallow the lies. Now remember, 3 months of the Christmas elf.
Peace on earth.
Goodwill to men.
Batteries not included.
That's right, so come on, we're nearly finished, which means tomorrow we won't have anything to do.
Excellent, excellent. That's what I like to see. Anybody hard at work? Isn't it everything's work? You don't want that, do you?
Well, actually, we've got a football gun.
No. I knew it. Just everything in the phone so loud. Please don't stop me. Please don't make me into the bush of good.
Don't worry about me. All I meant was,
No, the chief. I know you like when you're down. You don't be scared. I need to be just confused. I need to go serious. You're awful scary, but it's all I'm saying.
what's going on, Alfie?
Exactly. Dad! I'm sorry, Alfred. It's not my fault. I need a grandfather. I'll never love. Please don't let
Alfie, calm down. And what's the first rule of being an elf? No, the first alpha is don't panic. We've got a bit of a problem, and we're just about finished all the toys, so tomorrow we won't have anything to do.
Is that it? You already have that? Just need to finish all your work.
That's marvelous news. Well done, everyone. I think this is near Aberbargoed. And just as well, because I had a letter from the Elf Council saying they was going to send some people to do a spot check on all our work.
You don't mean.
Yes, we're expecting. Yes, we're having an inspect from the inspectors.
Chimney alert, chimney alert, chimney alert.
It's the chimney siren, Chief.
Looks like a government does.
It must be inspectors. Quickly, everyone, places! Welcome, dear visitors, to a humble art workshop. May trust you had a pleasant trip. Well, yeah, thank you very much, Squire. Who are we, Sasha? I think this is the North Pole Belt. Well, real elves. You can't be real elves. Don't worry, he's just suffering from elf denial. May I introduce you to our elf workforce. Firstly, I'm Elfie, Chief Elf. This is Elf B. He's my deputy.
This is Elsie. Alright, you born in there.
Alfie Tagsel. Alfie is in charge of carrying the sorry.
We think of the guests.
After you into the decorator. It's simply marvelous to make your acquaintance.
And Alf H tags all the gifts and presents. Hello.
I'm Mrs. H.
I'd like to say, but I have to go. I need to stage for a one-man show.
He's in charge of rapping.
Thank you.
Our H have left the building. We're JFK. We run air traffic control.
It's down to us to go down to the schools. Right. And brings me those safely every time.
Well, my name is Tom, and these here fine ladies and gentlemen are my good companions, Master William, Miss Millie, and Miss Sasha. I don't mean to be rude, but why do you all have letters instead of names? My dear sir, have you never heard the alphabet?
That's right. We all have the healthy alphabet. We're going to get together. We're 25 of us.
25? I didn't know there's 26 letters in the alphabet.
Yeah, but in the Christmas alphabet, there are only 25 letters.
Why is that?
There's no L.
who could blame them? Sorry I'm late, guys, but hey, you know how it is, right? It's not easy being an international superstar.
Oh, get it. What a big head. International superstar indeed.
I know, dear. They write a silly song about him and suddenly he's better than the rest of us.
So where have you been then?
I've just been singing copies of my new autobiography, Rudolph, A Note for Success. It's an inspiring tale of rise to riches with an important moral message.
An important moral message?
Yes, the message that anything is possible if you're like me and have an enormous...
Ysgol! Mouth? 22 years?
No, an enormous talent!
An enormous talent? You've just got a red nose, dear.
That's right, I'd hardly call that a talent, more like a giant pimple. How dare you? You're only jealous.
That's it. How are we going to clean up the reindeer stables if someone has stolen all the straw and hay? It's all gone, every bit. This is the last straw. We know our rights. We can't work under these conditions. We're going on strike.
Not now, you two. The elf inspectors are here.
They don't look like elf inspectors.
I think they're undercover.
I think they're underdressed. There must be some mistake. That's right. We're not elf inspectors. I'm just Tom from Chimney Street. Chimney Street? And I'm Sasha. And this is Will, and this is Sister Millie. We're from Stonehouse Orphanage.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing here?
We come to visit Santa.
This is most irregular indeed. And especially this time of year, we're very busy, you know.
That's right, please to me.
Slater Hall.